Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goel, and in this video we are going to simplify when 40 plus 40 minus 20 plus 0 is given. So as we can see in this question, there is in two signs, that is addition and subtraction. So the question arises that what we solve first, addition or subtraction. So we have rule of BODMAS, which says that first we have to solve bracket, then off, then divide, then multiply, then addition, and then subtraction. So before subtraction, we have to solve first addition. So the addition sign is in between 40 and 0. So 40 plus 40 is 80 and 80 plus 0 is also 80. Now 80 minus 20 minus 20. Now the first subtraction sign in between 80 minus 20, that is 60. Now 60 minus 20, that is 40. So our final answer is 40 with the help of BODMAS rule. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned and please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.